Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on cancelling your Xbox Live or Xbox Games Pass subscriptions. Microsoft makes it a bit convoluted to do, so I decided to make this tutorial for you. To start, open up a web browser on a PC, phone or your Xbox. Go to xbox.com. Click on the profile button at the top right of the screen and log into your account. Once you are logged in, click on the profile image button again and then click on My Microsoft Account. Now that page has loaded, click on Services and Subscriptions from the menu bar at the top of the web page. Here is the page where you can manage all of your Xbox and Microsoft related subscriptions. I have already cancelled my subscription previously, but all you have to do is click on Manage, and then there will be options to cancel immediately or cancel at the end of the billing period. And that draws an end to this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel for more Xbox tips and tricks.